please purchase this. Now what we do, we take this one, that is 2.4 parallel pen, pilot parallel pen, to make this a smaller alphabet. You can also scale it to be different. Oh, look how it glimmers. Beautiful. Oh yes, this is simply beautiful. Now you can add those little quirks at the end if you want. You don't have to. Now if you'd like to ask how I made this so glittery, well, I just added ink, some violet ink, some dark ink, completely black, and some gold ink with particles, so it does clog the pen a little bit from time to time, so you would have to more frequently take care of this part. Oh, this F looks like a wand or some stuff of some sorcerer, a bit crooked at this at the height, but that was quite beautiful in its own right. Now you could connect those here. You don't have to do that. Those practice sheets are mainly to show you how to create those, and later you can move on and do whatever you please. Only make sure it looks good and presentable. Not like those other I presented earlier. Those were not really presentable. And also you can comment in the comment section whether you like this side of me talking, or would you rather make me shut up and only write? I, from experience, believe it is quite nice to hear someone talking to you while you do a certain thing. If whatever pleases you, you can share in the comments. We are nearing the end of the alphabet for the smaller letters, so-called minuscule. Oh, so glittery, wow. I have a version that has those shadows more pronounced, if you'd like, so that you may see more of those shadows, because it's not so easy here. Oh, now my pen is functioning. Okay, probably because those particles I already mentioned earlier. It's really not easy to write with it, but the effect is quite astonishing, especially in a bigger work. This T, wow. With those letters, you want to make sure they are all even and looking, ah, yes, and looking great. Okay. Now that is something to look at, isn't it? Wow. Yes, the effect is unforgettable, especially when you have two hands to show it, but it carries risks, as I already mentioned. Of course, it's nothing too dangerous. It's not like it's gonna destroy your pen, no, that won't happen. But it may make this harder to write. Oh, just like now. From the distance, those first bigger letters don't look that bad, if I may say so myself. We take the calligraphy pen 3.8 and we calligraphy. Now most of these do look a bit rough around the edges, but that is because this is low quality paper that I had to use because my printer simply wouldn't be able to process a better one. However, if you use a better quality paper for the letters to print, this will turn out amazing. And certainly a lot better than this. Look at this. But the print is indeed amazing. And it is very useful in learning. Those are so beautiful. It may not look like much here, but I guarantee you that those are simply astonishing. And when I get my hands on a better printer, I will certainly redo this. Because as you can see, those are beautiful until I mess with them. There's too much bleeding. However, if you're still watching this video, I would like to ask you how you'd rate this. Maybe not considering the bleeding, because that really makes it really a lot less valuable. However, you can tell me if you'd like to receive this printable thingy right here, because that is quite good despite all the problems here. Oh man. If you'd like a print of this practice sheet, you can contact me in the comments and I will provide a link to contact with me. This, if you'd like, would cost €10 For you, that could be like a spare change, and for me, it could be worth a lot. Hmm, those really look awful. I will have to redo this after all. I wonder if anyone's even watching right now. If you are, I want to tell you that you will surely succeed in your career. If you fancy calligraphy, you just have to stick to practice. Find some practice sheets and just practice whatever you like. Now, while I'm holding this phone with my left hand because I do not have anything else to rely on yet, it is a bit tough to really see everything because this phone uh, it obscures my vision more than a little bit. But you, when you have two hands free and all that, I'm sure you will be able to get the most of this.